Hey guys, so I know a lot of you guys were asking me about this tutorial in my previous swatches video. So yeah, I really liked how it turned out, and here is the complete tutorial. I hope you like this look. Keep on watching. So first up, I use the PAC HD Liquid Foundation in the shade 1.9 with the new Precision Blender. This is the first time I'm trying out this foundation. Like I've used it 1-2 times before this video, but this is the first time I'm trying it, and I really like this foundation. I've just used one pump here, and I really like the coverage, the finish. It's buildable. It's like medium to full coverage, and you get like pretty much medium to almost full coverage here with just one pump. With two pumps you will get like full coverage, like complete coverage. And I really like this Precision Blender too. It is like an almost exact dupe of the Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. It's really nice. And I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer for my under eye area and the center part of my face. And I will list all the product names and the shade names in the info box below. And again, using the same Precision Blender, which is my current favorite blender, and blending in the concealer. And then I'm taking the PAC Baking Powder Set, which is again a new launch. I mixed the white and yellow and setting the concealed areas again with the same damp Precision Blender from PAC. And for my entire face, I'm using the new translucent powder in the shade 09 and using a brush to set my face and neck. Again, this translucent powder is like really nice, and it comes in like I think 5 to 6 shades. I have reviewed and swatched everything on my blog. I will mention the link in the info box below. I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette, the bronzer part of it, like the contouring part, but it's more like a bronzer to warm up or bronze the face and the jawline and the sides of the forehead and the nose, pretty much the face, like lightly, like warming up the area to look like naturally bronzed in the sun. And I also like how instantly it chisels the face. And moving on to the highlighter, I am using my current favorite Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. I love this highlighter. It's like a total value for money, and I think everyone should have this. At 500 it's a steal. And yeah, highlighting the top parts of my face and the center of my face, and setting the whole face with the Pixi Beauty Makeup Fixing Mist. For my eyebrows, I'm using the Givenchy eyebrow pencil, which is like my absolute favorite eyebrow pencil. It is like super pigmented, so with just a slight touch you get a lot of color payoff. And I'm just filling in the gaps, and though it might look a little dark now, when you brush it on with the spoolie, everything will be soft and natural looking. So yeah, it has a spoolie on the other side, so it makes it really convenient to travel along with. Only problem is sharpening it, like it only sharpens with its own sharpener and I'm not able to find it. For my eyes, I'm using the new Sigma Warm Neutrals Volume 2 eyeshadow palette. Taking this peachy brown shade first, I warm up the crease. And when it comes to eyeshadows, always move from light to dark, blending one shade at a time so that it creates a color gradient, like an ombre kind of effect, and everything looks seamless and blended. So always start with a lighter color. So after taking this light peachy brown, defining the crease and warming up the crease, and then we will move on to the darker brown. So taking this darker brown shade now, I am blending in the crease, like deepening the crease and also the outer corners. So take more color on the outer corners, and when you have blended it in, take the rest in the inner corners, like move it slightly inside, and just adding a bit of a reddish warmth with this reddish pink color on the outer corners, and then again blending everything in. And now I'm doing a half cut crease, like a half moon, crescent moon kind of shape with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This really helps the shimmer to like pop and stay in place, and it looks really nice. And using this champagne color, metallic champagne color, I am adding on to the part where I concealed. And also make sure you blend the edges and the center part where the two shadows meet. It should be seamless and there should be no separate harsh line as such, and everything should look seamless when it comes to your eyeshadows. So yeah, make sure you blend everything well. And yeah, that's what I'm doing here. And taking the same darker brown shade, I am smoking out the lower lash line, and then I will blend it again with the blender so that it doesn't look like a harsh line. Nothing should be harsh when it comes to eyeshadow. Everything should be blended and seamless. And then I just went ahead and did my eyeliner and applied the magnetic lashes. And for my lips, I'm using the new PAC Soft Matte Lipstick in the shade Unicorn. This is like my current favorite lipstick, and I really like how it complements the look. I think it goes really well with the whole look. And yeah guys, that is pretty much the whole look. I really like how it turned out. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you recreate this look, make sure you tag me in your pictures. And yeah, I hope you have subscribed, and if not, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. Also, please participate in the previous PAC lipstick giveaway. It will end soon. And yeah, thank you for watching. I will talk to you guys soon.